say Blasters in Pokran World Cup Nick Blasters in their corner. The Ghana Football Association president Edu Tujani say Blasters bet ma qualify for World Cup. Blasters be konenima. I just will be bia eba together. Near team unite near pushy Blasters, Mr. Kotoko on the senior national team. Blasters.
Regarding Black Stars, I think it is work in progress. There's still a lot more work to be done. The golden age of the Black Stars that we saw beyond the World Cup in 2006 in Germany, that saw those big, but we have the quality. I think the unbelievable show of support by Ghanaians towards the revival of the team. Me appreciate it a lot. It's something that I don't take for granted at all, and I will encourage all of us to stay behind all our national teams because that's the only way.
Nana saying and same be told just say referees na omo di Ghana Premier League member ne man de ni nyina no omo pese omo twe omo ho na ye call Ghana Football Association president aso ye kobusa ne say couple GFA couple me pa cho panyi kese de akokoso e wo Ghana Football Association referees in sense so omo be pull out no nukura bi wo man na Ghana Football Association president Mr. Kotoko say yenka mo obi ante asese ensem e be to odwa no e hurudu rather sem nukura bi ani sans ensem nim na referees o ma register with Ghana Football Association a omudi emman Premier League emman Premier League no obi ani ho a watro krata ba say obepuli out no gitumu say omo di omo ka omo ho anim so mbetimetua nanso nukura bi anim say referees a o ma register with Ghana Football Association omo puli out Ghana Football Association president eden komo kakra dia tudwa.
There's nothing like, and there's absolutely nothing like Obi Pulu out of the league. It's a false reportage by people. They are definitely not part of our registered referees. All referees are registered members of the FA. Be it the Premier League referee, Women's Premier League referee.
President Editu Jani Edina no Edsemno Ebabisino Yentimi Nkwabra Yembusa Ghana Football Association president Yami Aduma the super class Sunday Ebaso Accra House of Folk and Kumasi Asante Kotoko Ghana Football Association president Ghana Premier League the biggest fixture Ebaso then na walker between Accra House of Folk then Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Sunday Asante Kotoko obviously is one of the biggest, if not the biggest. Two teams in varied and varying stories to tell in the build-up to the game. Already, me say two teams now started promote to game no a game and a game my satisfaction a game a kind boom.
Ghana Football Association president Editu Ja for the super clash. Nyame Aduma Sunday ebeba so no na yenko NSA mpanyimfo aso eye Mr. Yaw Ampofo Ankra na ye NSA director or the nsem bebredi atudwa proud Nyame Aduma Sunday super clash na ebeba so no director of NSA Yaw Ampofo Ankra Accra Sports Stadium agropama no so no aye ready say be hosti Accra House of Folk any Kumase Asante Kotoko ana.
We had plans to make sure we get the popular stand which was not in use for the Chad game, but that's a long-term plan, and we also had interruption with the Ghana Premier League matches being played, so once again those stands will not be occupied. But apart from that, it should be a great atmosphere, it should be well attended, minus the 7,000 up and 7,000 down seats. We're going to have a really good
director Mr. Yaw Ampofo Ankra ede etuja na yembon rem ni enko Accra House of Folk aso eye kasama for the Accra House of Folk Mr. Kwame Opare Ado ede nsem bebre na de atuja obeka after say Accra House of Folk omu get process ne ba bonten no nkofo bebre na kasa fa ho ne boeden mo ntete so ne boeden na no ana kasama for ede ma Accra House of Folk Mr. Kwame Opare Ado ede nsem bebre de atuja o say ma mo kasa asem no one mo nyadwen ebo ne de eye moderate o beke Accra House of Folk ni Kumasi Asante Kotoko ebo we de enye bo abeka se e wosoro one mo nyaadwen kra.
Oh yes, I disagree with them. On say oh share idea no right from the beginning now who say 50 150 wom 100 wom 300 wom the first perception you get is that 300 there was low, but sit back and analyze it that look, what can I afford? Me met me afford 50 cedis. So you go to the 50 cities. It won't mean afford the 50 cities. Young fan say, or say 50 cities, 100, 150, 300. You bring it to 10 cities, 15 cities, 20 cities, 70 cities. Obi super catch say, na sa 15 cities, 100 cities, let's have then getting. Mo peje mu kakra. Mo nya sure say at least as the biggest game, you'll be able to at least make some little money and continue to use that money to.
Mr. Kwame Ouattara etu dwa o se wo hwe bebi a ho beso a na watimi atua ho take it. Now the reason why take it no prices ne bo koso no Mr. Kwame Ouattara do kasamade ama Accra so focus say adekonti omuma abo ne koso no Accra Sports Stadium o hwe scoreboard no na yese mpanyimfo aklosing na omo ntimi mbie ho no ka ho bi ana omutimi ma prices ne koso na de wo hwe television ni Facebook no the last time omu close Accra Sports Stadium scoreboard no na ye Blasters on be face chat ana etwagun na Mr. Kwame Ouattara say the reason why ma price tickets no koso no Accra Sports Stadium scoreboard no impenyufo atimi close na de odi tu dwa na me na o ka say Mr. Kwame Ouattara wakasa afa coach Ouattara ho na nse obeka ya coach Ouattara ko press conference bia na ensema eba bonten no coach ne toto bom. Now, according to Mr. Kwame Ouattara no ekasade Accra so folk no osi coach Ouattara onye obi a oti English ne papa ni English no enye clear enti sa oye nsem troni na ubusa coach Ouattara asema Mr. Obeki sure say o question no simple and clear na coach Ouattara so betime yiwa no men kubusa ne question na complex sana ni English no ensada enye clear ene de Mr. Kwame Ouattara editu ya yentie de Ouattara ekan
possible to let people know that look Nipano possible to let people know that look Nipano onye Ghana ni or French ni Brofuno will not be as smooth as obi a Brofuni any language. Say yanzu ye bisa question na you're making it very simple and very short. Senebeya ono so benya a good understanding and then give you a befitting response.
Central for mutabusa coach Ouattara questions Perry mo ana JT mu ntimu busa na mu make sure say mu English no ene mo question simple and you plain and yes coach Ouattara de udi agro beto bomb eno de free Accra House of Focus so eba yen kopiem wo Legon City say relegation no ebopion mo nansen a threat no ma so metimi survival me ne wo ka say Legon City simpanyimfo omo head coach ya we champion ometimi eja ne kwan Ocho position Legon City's Eda and Koyekra. Omoda 17th on the league log after 29 games, omo 25 points, omo try say, Ombetima survival no battle for relegation. And Timpenyu phone say the performance of omo head coach our champion no and so any Entiama Legon City's impenyu for etimiama coach no ne letter you say no omo ne ton kwanta oma pai enti yawe champion. Ono no say no onye coach BM and Farmer Legon Cities impenyimfo etimi eja ne kwan ene kakre free Legon Cities aso ye eba ne kopiem ewo Ghana under 20 team na insem bebre na eba onim say ukopiem a Ghana ewo akono under 20 no ewo tournament kese pa African under 20 championship no ekoso na nyame adoma Ghana your big match, your first game against DR Congo, Basso, na head coach, Desmond Ofe, Edinson Bebredi Atuga, Diedi Kain Okosafa, preparation proud to your first game against DR Congo. Yenkotie, coach Desmond Ofe, your first game against DR Congo.
Very fortunate to come early to Egypt to acclimatize. The conditions are really good. The training pitch is really nice. Facility is fantastic, good food. So we are in a good space so that we can really work and focus and try to get to our level as soon as possible. Yeah, the training facility is fantastic, like I just mentioned. The pitch is really nice, it's really good, well cut. So I think the conditions are really good. Set really well for us to like I said, get to our maximum level.
Preparation be ekoye no motivation so be ekoye mpanyimfo atwemo oma motivate mu kama motivation wo camp etisen.
Yeah, we are really happy. As you can see, the boys are really enthusiastic about the whole situation. The hunger is there. I don't think we need to motivate them. So in every training session, they are giving 100% and they are ready to
Okay, yentoa so fanfiri we no enso enama agro no etimi the way chapter 89 and achese wote omunka bibia so no enso etimi koso kama ye de ho nsam no enso ema nu asoso na chese chapter 32 for no so no amu ewo nungwa enso so no ewura mu achese na mo so jama den no for the love of the game Ghana edition of El Clasico enso etimi baso a super class no ye de ho nsam na me pacha tie how to folk enra amoso etimi ball friendly game achese no so cause there want some but na when since a year 1958 had to folk any team we found Asante Kotoko no obo matches pina na any be kan here for a Premier League no nko ho asem enyambo Sunday game eba so no matches and that's a match etoso makomako 116 since 1958 ebesi 2025 match etoso makomako 116 ewo Premier League nko a top 4 nka ho near for MTN FA Cup any other matches in friendly games no enka we Premier League enko a game number 116 ana eba so nyamboa any for me pacho Sunday na games 150 no medical abonom have to folk the Continental Club Masters awinimu 38 Asante Kotoko awini 39 draw no ayema kumako 38 ana chesa no so etimi apiem had to folk alusu 39 Kotoko alusu 38 goals so apiem had to folk ashe 121 ana Asante Kotoko enso etimi ashe 133 achesero enso etimi ebaso na me pacha enra hat to folk enso game mo boy eti akoforidua sympathy na game no so ekoso awia no mensa ewon here for Pobimano Sports Complex game no endie no na hat to folk as a one ama tima ye for Koforidua sympathy enso etimi as a one ninna preparations almost etimi ye na chesa almost edi awuram ewo nyambo Sunday na Sunday ni game abaso no Urama tima ye fane se Asante Kotoko nkra no Asante Kotoko youth no enso ni tima ye fane se Accra to folk Royal Oaks no be boni under 17 for no be boni ansana game no kwa no enso etimi asase ntisa game no bekoso na chese awia no a free 12 mu akopem 3 ne de na chese that game no so etima koso ansana chese 3 no ba game na nkasa the main game no enso etimi akoso achese yede ho nsam eba hat to folk omuguso number side enso etimi aye training na day na free number china enso omatimi atwaso kama na bibia so enso etimi akoso achese enom say no so etimi koso ewo tima ye friend say Accra to folk say no bad news bia no enso anytime friend say Accra to folk din na no enso player the day and then ye friend say Ahmed Yusuf Ramsey on kwana out of the game Abraham no ka say enti de besi bia na mo wasom enso etimi ate sanction okon opponent and I say opposite number team e friend say Asante Kotoko am player the day enso and ye friend say Kwame Poku baye she say uram our South Africa club ye friend say Orlando Pirates amoso som aya near friend interest enso Kwame Poku watch say enya easy cry enti Kwame Poku so ne interact no enso ehwe no mu se at the end of the season no amosom ebenya a big club e won here for South Africa ama Kwame Poku enso etimi akọ nya be bia so no etimi akọ so ntino Orlando Pirates for no de omehwe no mu se omonsa ebetimi aka eye Kwame Poku baye from Tima ye fene se Asante Kotoko ko shakan enso etimi edama mane enso akra eno so etimi ekoso from Kwame Poku aswe ye de ewon sebno enso etimi eba na uram enso so ewon ye fene se former Heart to Folk assistant manager opanyina ye fene se eye Abdul Tijani Rahim onon and say uram ewon ye fene se eye Tima ye fene se Legon Citizen onon enso ekwe head coach e the am after say and penifo shooting Saki main coach you know onon ana ekwe assistant coach and the amateur my friend say Legon Cities Abdul Tijani Rahim de abojuma pina assistant coach Mr. Gam and easy cry onom enso assistant coach maybe a twam under opinion friend say Maxwell Kunadu afesusunum or call young apostles akobojuma cry assistant coach oba Heart to Folk and opinion friend say Herikus Martinius Martin Koopman and so no juma cry and afesu one opinion your friend say Aboubakar Ouattara so ye adwuma Ouattara breno ana semberebe na sisi a cheso panyin no enso ekopiem e Spain kotwa da dishia so a cheso wasan me piem enso e wa Ghana bibia enso no etimi ekoso a ye de awonsam no enso etimi eba na bibia atma Aboubakar Ouattara e born 46th Premier League game nyamboa Sunday e wa Accra Sports Stadium a cheso no enye wa win 18 abo draw 12 ana afi walusuma kuma ko 15 enti Sunday hwese Ouattara enso betimi awinia this note no yemfa nsem no so entimi esia na aferi esia enso ewoni ai fa ne se ye next a video